bakit hindi pa nahanap si Kubuloy. We've been on a manhunt for how many months already? I know the Senate has already issued their warrant against him. The PNP has been looking for him. The NBI has been looking for him. So I think the bigger question is, where is Pastor Apollo Kibuloy? I think that's the bigger question that we need to ask. Dahil isang pagpapakita po ito na unang-una hindi niya nire-respeto yung mga institusyon ng ating pamahalaan. Pinakikita niya rin na he has no disregard whatsoever when it comes to the laws that govern the Philippines. So this is also a gentle call out to our law enforcement agencies to please implement, look for him, and put him in proper custody so that we can fully progress into the legal proceedings when it comes